Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. We all know that kids and inflatables are kind of a terrible combination. At least my kids. Any inflatable we get never even lasts a summer, but have no fear. Terrade is here. So this stuff is magic. It's these little vinyl adhesive strips. So all you do is peel them off, cut them to the size that you need, clean your surface, and stick it on like a piece of tape. You have to let it set for a while, and then it will permanently adhere to the surface and patch the hole. And I can attest that they work wonderfully because we have patched this inflatable slide multiple times, and 2 of these pieces of tape here on the orange surface have been there over a year and they haven't budged. So if you've got kids and they've got inflatables, pick up some Terrade. I guarantee you will need it at some point. And that's my point of view.